Hey, George Williams, founder and CEO of Reliability X, here to talk about our very first building block within our leadership domain. And our first building block is business acumen. Now, business acumen is a person's ability or knowledge of how the organization is structured to add value, whether that is the type of industry you're in, the organizational structure and processes that allow the company to either make money or contribute to society or have high quality. The business acumen of a leader is their ability to articulate all of the nuances within the organization structure and processes and business so that they can set good direction and make good decisions. Now, is business acumen only for senior leadership? Not at all. As a matter of fact, regardless of where you are within the organization, your ability to articulate to the industry the nuances of your company and organization and its ability to add value allows you to drive that value down to an asset's downtime, an hour of production uptime, whether or not an environment is available or unoccupiable, if that's even a word. Your ability to articulate those things helps you gain support. Your ability and knowledge of how the organization operates and works helps you navigate not only the political landscape, but the economic landscape and all of the other business units within the company with respect to articulating the value you provide within your group, whether that's maintenance or operations or sanitation or even security. And so business acumen is not only for senior leadership and their ability to set direction, but also for everyone in the organization to understand where value exists and how to go after that value using data-driven business decisions. And so oftentimes when we go into an organization, one of the first things we do is to understand the business. One of the second things we do is to then coach shop floor staff in exactly how the organization either makes money or contributes to society and where that value is and how to see that value so that they too can articulate what, say, a nuisance problem that happens over and over again. They can now articulate that into yearly lost net revenue, right? Or yearly lost revenue. And so business acumen allows an organization and its people to make better business decisions with a deeper understanding of how the organization operates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.